Chinese New Year is one of the traditional festivals in China. Legend has it that a beast named Nian ate livestock and people on the New Year. It was discovered that Nian was scared of loud noises and color red. With this discovery, people put red lanterns on their windows and doors to stop Nian from coming inside a house. Loud noises such as crackling bamboo, later replaced by firecrackers, was lit to scare Nian away. The food hall was packed. The air was filled with the aroma of Asian cuisine. Amidst the crowd noise were the sound of slicing, chopping, and sizzling oil. It must be lunchtime. What's for lunch? We had vegetarian noodles, dumplings, spring rolls, and braised pork belly served with fried rice. Yummy!
After lunch, we went to the adjacent hall and looked around. There were stalls selling a wide range of Chinese trinkets and also live entertainment. Did you know that there is an art of gift giving in China? Gift giving allows a person to show respect, commitment, and strengthen relationships between friends and family.
In business, the most expensive gift is given to the most senior person in the company. The same gift should not be given to employees of different rank. While the dragon prop was resting, other groups were practicing, singing, chanting, and posing for photos with the public. Hundreds of people lined up the street to watch the parade. The street was filled with different groups wearing colorful costumes. There were dragons and a lion dance and noise from a variety of musical instruments. It was a small parade, but it entertained the crowd.